This conference will now be recorded.
Good evening, everyone. Am I audible to you? So today's topic is GL creation in SAP FI. So in SAP FI Financial Accounting, GL stands for General Ledger. What is the GL ledgers? The General Ledgers is the central repository for accounting data in SAP. It contains all the company's financial transactions recorded in a structured and categorized way. Every business transaction such as invoices. Okay, I'll share the screen once. Is the screen is visible, students? Is the screen is visible? If it is visible, put response. So GL creations. So in SAP FI Financial Accounting, GL stands for General Ledger. What is the general ledger actually? The general ledger is the central repository of for accounting data in SAP. It contains all of the company's financial transactions recorded in a structured and categorized way. Every business transaction such as invoice payments, depreciations, etc. eventually post to the general ledgers. So without ledger creations, we cannot do any park document and post document. For that, we need to create GL. So key concept of GL in SAP, what is that? Terms. We need to do descriptions here. What and all things has to be filled. GL account. A specific records in the general ledger. Each GL account represents a type of financial transactions. Example, if I'll give you revenue, that means income, expenses, assets, liability. This all includes in the GL accounts. That will be categorized with the balance sheet and profit and loss. So chart of accounts also are necessary to know in this. A complete list of all the GL accounts used by an organization. It defines how the accounts are structured and categorized. So company code, the smallest organizational units for each financial statements can be drawn. GL accounts are maintained for company code. Okay, so company code, the smallest organizational units, which financial statements can be drawn here. Next is document posting. These all concepts we are going to discuss today. When a transactions like sales or sales invoice or payment is entered, it's a posted to the GL accounts via document. Have a one debit and one credit, ensuring the accounting equations stays balanced. Okay. Then account types. What are the account types? GL account can be different types like balance sheet accounts. It includes assets and liabilities. Profit and loss accounts, which includes revenues and expenses. Clear? So here I have a one example I've given. Suppose a company purchase office supplies. Even yesterday class also I've given some transactions. Here also one transaction is there. A company purchase office supplies worth 500 in cash. So which account will be the debit? Which account will be the credit? Your office supply expenses will be the debit, and cash or bank means it is by cash means cash account will be credit here. These transactions will be posted in the general ledger and reflected in the financial reports like profit and loss statements and balance sheet. Simple examples here. Okay. Next is to create GL accounts in SAP FI. You will typically use transactions code like FS00. Students, you can write the meaning of ledgers. Please make a note on this. And what are the T code for this? So I'll increase little size. You can make a note. So the general ledger is a central respiratory, that particular definitions you can write. And in SAP FI, GL stands for general ledger. That also you can know. You can make a note on this. Everyone join the session. Okay. Next is you can write what is the T code for this. So to create GL in SAP, you will typically use the transactions code FS00. This point is also quite important. You can make a note. To create GL accounts in SAP FI, you will typically use transactions code FS00. It allows you to create, view, or edit general ledger account. After this, I'm going to tell you the steps. You can write the path. Steps to create GL account in SAP FI. This also you can note down. Go to the transactions code. Either you can go through this or you can go to the SAP Easy Access, Accounting, Financial Accounting, General Ledger, Master Records, GL account, and Individual Processing. There you can do FS00. You can click on that. You can write the steps also. This is the T code and as well as steps. What we have to enter, I'm going to show in the software. All are able to see this? So I have increased the font size. Have you done this? So if it is completed, put a response in
One
the
minute,
chat
ma'am.
box as a 1. Okay, right. No issues.
Done, ma'am.
Completed? Everyone has done? Those who have completed, put 1 in the chat. Only 2 ones I have. If you put, then I'll go to the next. We'll do in software. Okay, got it done. So we'll do in the software now. Is the screen is visible, students? Is the screen is visible? Okay. So now I'm going to show you in the software. Okay, see here, go to the SAP Easy Access screen, then accounting, financial accounting, individual processing FS centrally. Something is happening, it's not turning, it is turning up like that. Hello, is this audible, students? Is this audible? Screen is visible. Unmute and response once.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll show you once again. I'm in SAP Easy Access screen. Go to the accounting. I'll show you once again. Save this. So I was like this. This is I opened and SAP is this means first screen of the software, and we have to go to the accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, master records, GL account, individual processing, and then FS00 centrally. Here we need to click.
Excuse me, mom.
Yes, tell me.
Mom, when I open the SAP easy access screen, the
Hmm.
T code bar isn't present, and also when I try to,
T
you
code
know,
bar here, maybe your T code bar is like this. Is it displaying on the screen like that?
yeah, yes, mom,
Here you can see my pointer just to the next to that enter key. See my pointer where it is just below the menu. One triangle is there.
yes, mom.
Click on this, it will open.
Mom, when I click on that, my caps lock is getting, you know,
Caps lock is not required for that.
no, mom. When I do that, my caps lock is turning on. Like I have like a light showing whether it's on or off, and then my pointer just disappears.
I'm not getting anything. Even I am also using a laptop,
Yes, mom. This is the
but
first time
nothing.
it's happening for me too.
Okay, for everyone is happening like that.
Just now it's happening. I don't know.
Just now, maybe your caps lock and on or something. You check it out.
Yes, mom. When I try to do anything on this app, easy
But
access.
now it is visible or not? Once you click on this triangle,
No, ma'am. Once
this
anything I click on the SAP easy access screen, my caps lock
uh,
turns on and my pointer disappears.
then it is a system problem. Maybe the
It was
software is
working till
supporting.
yesterday, right?
These technical things you have to contact. I told you because it is in software based. Correct. Once actually it will not happen like this. Caps lock will not automatically on.
It's
Why it
happening
is
to me.
happening? You have to check it out with one sir. Sir, when I am pressing any key or options, that caps lock is getting on. You just check with that. Software related, he is only knowing. I'm just teaching the topics and all. And if you stuck in any points, that I can solve it. But why this system related or software related, you have to check with him.
Okay, okay, ma'am. So when should I contact him?
You can contact him now. Also, he's in office.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Uh, just tell that when I am pressing any keyboard bar or any options, caps lock is getting on.
Okay, I'll
So
tell him.
then you will get to know that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So here I have shown the procedure and fs centrally fs double zero. uh, so this is not our company. You will get the screen. Okay, after this you have to click on this your create options. So company code you need to give. Company code is what we have created, in
25.
25. Okay, in 25 you have to give. GL account, first GLs I am creating. Just a minute students. Hello, who is asking about the caps lock? Can I know?
Ma'am, Nitya Shri Sham Kumar.
It is maybe your system problem because in software there is no such options that automatically your caps lock will on. Check with the
Ma'am,
your laptop only.
but it was working till like yesterday.
Working, but maybe sometime issue will be there. Even we are also getting issue in the system sometimes because software was working before. No, it's not a
Yes.
software issue. That will be hardware problem actually. Maybe in the RAM or something it is getting some problem then only. because when some laptops is related to 4 GB RAM or other operating system, in that case this problems will happen. It
Mom,
will
I have
stuck the
16
programs and all
GBs.
some.
I have 16 GBs
No
free in my
issues, but it
laptop.
is related to hardware problem, not the software. SAP software does not have like this any issue.
Okay, mom.
So check once with the hardware things and all. You can check with the service centers. This software I'm using, I'm getting this problem. You can check it. So
Okay,
maybe
mom.
it is a hardware problem because software already you are in the beginning. If you are getting the problem, I can tell that this like screen locked or something, that is software issues. Software is working, but your hardware getting you means different response you are getting. That getting on automatically caps lock. Then maybe another problem will be there. Okay, check once. No issues.
Okay, mom.
Okay, because just now I asked her, so he's telling in software there is no such option that automatically your any keys will activate or any key will miss caps lock will on. There is no such option is there.
Okay, mom.
Okay, there is nothing is there because from long years we are taking classes this software, so we are not facing any problem here. But if system problem is there, what will happen this after installation? Sometimes your, if you have a 4 GB RAM, no, the software will not work fluently also. That is the problem also, because it requires 300 GB free space. So it's a powerful software, but already you have a 16 GB RAM, no, so
Yes, mom.
maybe some other technical issues will be there.
Mom, maybe I'll try updating once and then try again.
Hi, you can do, you can check with this hardware person.
Okay, mom.
Okay, so no issues,
Okay.
don't worry about this. Class is still more is there. You can see.
Okay, mom.
Okay, so you can just see that here we have done account number is 1 lakh. So why I am giving 1 lakh? That is I have assigned with the assets. Did you remember that accounts
Excuse me,
group I have
ma'am. Can
given?
you please repeat?
I'll show you once again. Okay, now you should
Yes,
see
ma'am.
that.
Please repeat.
So this is your accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, master records, GL account, individual processing, FS00. It is not O, FS00 centrally. Double click on this. You have to click on this create option. Check on the screen. They're displaying create. Okay, one option is displaying here create. You have to click on that, and here we have to change the company code. This is different company, so I need to change with our company IN25. Account numbers, you have remembered I have given for this assets 1 lakh to 159, and liabilities is 2 lakhs to 259, like that. So I am creating first GL accounts as a 1 lakh. Click on the tick mark, and now the types and descriptions is displaying. You have to select your asset, but remember that
Ma'am,
you have to choose the balance sheet here.
ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
after we submit the company code and the GL account, ma'am, there's a
Huh.
pop-up which shows charts of account not
Yes,
defined.
yes. Chart of account you should give.
Okay,
That is
now there's a tick
same.
mark and then a question mark.
Question is there. Where is the question? Chart of
No, there's
account
a.
is asking no that you have to give.
Okay.
You have to give. It is asking means you should give. See here, control chart of accounts is there. No. First, what is that? You need to select balance sheet here, then assets. If it is asking one dialog box as a chart of accounts, you have to give that one. Then only
Okay.
this will activate. Okay. Then remember that assets does not belongs to PL statements. See, sometimes what happen, it is default, it will enable. But when you are creating on assets GS, you need to select this. Okay. Then short text, what I am going to create, first I am creating cash account. In Tally it is not required, but in SAP we need to create all GL masters. So cash account I am going to create. Let's C is capital, cash account. This is a short text, and you can give long text as a cash account. So first you make a notes on this, then I'll proceed to the control data. Today I am I'm going to send this particular notes where we can follow. See this notes is there. No, I'll send you. Here all the steps are there, and you can check with that. See balance sheet here, non-operating, operating. This is the online tools it is there, but we can show in the screen and you can write this. Clear? So best procedure is you can see in the software and you can make a note. Notes is for to understand the meanings and all, but practically if you'll do, it will be good. So have you note down this? Balance
Yes, ma'am.
sheet. Huh. After this, after filling this, you have to click on control data. Once you click on control data, you have to click on line item display. Did you remember yesterday I told you line items? That is 01 for customers, 31 for vendors, 40 is for debit entry, 50 is for credit entry. So that is called line items. Here we have to click line item display, tick mark. Short key you have to give 001. Why? There is a reason behind this. 001 refers to the posting date. 001 refers to posting date. Clear? So that's what I am giving 001. Make a note. Currency will update automatically. You need to click on accounts management in company code line item display and shortkey 001. Okay, so 001 completed. Next you have to click on create bank interest. Create bank interest is G001, that is called field status variant. If I click on this, I can see last class we have done 0001 for general with tax allocations, G005 I told you last class also bank accounts, G041 is for tax office clearing accounts, G067 is for reconciliation account. So what we need to select here, G001. Completed. So after this you need to click on save. So it will ask you GL account one display message. You have to click on continue or enter. In the tick mark you have to click. So now my company, I want to change this company because this is a different company. Once you create any GLs, then only you will be able to change the company. Or else what will happen? It will display the previous company. Okay.
Mom,
Tell me.
I have a doubt. Can I show my screen? I'm not able to switch between TL statement account and balance sheet account. It's not giving me an option.
Okay. I'll stop sharing. You can share now.
No, mom, I'll switch on my camera and I'll show it from my iPad only.
Okay, no issues then. Show me that.
Yeah, mom, this is my screen.
But I am not getting here. Okay, I'm seeing
Okay.
that. Tell me.
I'm not able to switch here. It's not giving me an option. It's showing
Which company code
me.
it is displaying actually? The company
Uh,
code, you see? I'm not able to see that. Company code in the top, assets it is displaying, no?
yes, ma'am.
What is that company code?
TA10 it's showing. Even though I've given here, it's showing
Okay, 1 minute.
IN25.
Okay, IN25, it is displaying. Just go to the left side. I'll check it out. No, no, no. It is full moving only. 1 second. Click on the create option. Click on the create.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you getting create options?
Yes, ma'am.
Then click on create. It will ask you the company code and this. Not this one. Not this one. Huh. Now you change the company code and GL account give 1 lakh.
Okay,
What company
GL
you are
account.
using? What company you are using now? That company you gave an
Yes,
account. You
ma'am.
give 1 lakh. Okay.
Okay.
Click on continue once. The tick mark is there. What it is asking?
A chart of account not defined.
Yes, now you got the reason. Chart of
Yes.
accounts you have not defined. Means that one step you have forgot to do that. Without chart of account students, you will not able to create any GL masters. Why? Because chart of accounts and field status variant is mandatory.
Okay.
You have missed 1 2 steps. That's what this is not able. Or else everything is working, not an issues.
Okay.
Everything is working. Chart of accounts, which class I have taught, check that. After fiscal
Okay.
year, after posting periods, I have done chart of accounts. You have to create chart of accounts, then field status variant, then document number range, then tolerance group, then only you can do this your GL posting step by
Okay, ma'am.
step, because these all options, no, it's linked to each other.
Okay, ma'am.
After finishing these many steps, you have to create GS. No issues. Your software is quite good and it's working. Just
Yes, ma'am.
create the chart of account. No issues.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you,
So,
ma'am.
huh. But sometimes what happens, just like you have shown me, it is displaying some other companies here. So I have also shown that procedure. In my screen also some other company was displaying. But as soon it is displaying, no issues, not to scare. Click on this create and GL account, change the company code to your company code and click on tick mark. So that what will happen, it will activate. Okay. Now I am going to create one more ledgers. So this is, I'll create 1 lakh. So 401. So I'm going to create one bank account. No issues. First you create, then you can ask me in class also tomorrow. No issues.
Okay, ma'am.
Then 1 lakh one I'm going to create descriptions and select that balance sheet first. Then assets. I'm going to create ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank account. This is the long text. So once it is done, you have to click on control data. Procedures are
One
same for
minute,
all.
ma'am.
You are writing tags and description. Right.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So everyone is done till this much. Everyone understood? Put your response. So we'll complete this ICICI Bank GS. Okay. So what we need to do here, then click on control data. In this same as it is line item display, short key 001. One more thing I want to make you clear. Control data, this all GL, it will be same only. For the all GL accounts, account currency automatically it will be there. Line item you have to click tick mark and short key. This is common for all GL accounts. Then click on create bank interest. This is also, but this is, remember that I will use G005. G001 is also okay, but as it is a bank account, I am clicking on this G005. See, there is a two options are there. Obligatory due, don't do that. Don't click on this. G005 has to select bank account obligatory value date. Okay, so G005. Clear? After giving this G005, click on save. That's all. So two I have created. Likewise, I'll create one more. Today only GL creations will do. Last one transactions I'll show you on that. Okay, so I have created cash account. I have created bank account. Now I'll create one more like 1 lakh. Next number will come, students. Just like you have created 1 lakh, then you have created 1 lakh 1. Now I have created 1 lakh 2. I'll create one furniture account. So descriptions, click on this balance sheet, select asset. Here I'll type furniture account
Excuse
because
me,
when,
ma'am.
tell me.
For me, it is showing company code KAR1 in spite of changing it to my company code, ma'am. I'm not getting that assets below that cash and bank account that we created now.
I'm not getting that. No, that will not come automatically. You need to create on that.
I created it, ma'am. I put my company code and created that. I followed what you showed, but still it is showing me company code, some different company code, and there is no asset, cash account, and bank account that we created.
Then you have to, I'll tell you one thing, there is a one trick is there. Just do that. Change company code, you do ma. Change company code. Click on that. Are you waiting? Because I did
Yes,
few
ma'am.
minutes before. Give your company code and tick mark it. It will display all your what you have created. See, if I'll click, you can change here. Are you getting this dialog box?
Yes, ma'am, got it.
Now displaying. Is it displaying what you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
created?
Thank you.
Ah,
Yes,
what
ma'am. Thank you.
because what happened in my screen also when I opened the screen, some other companies it was displaying chart of that GLs. So what I did, I created the first one. Still, it was not displaying on my screen. So I did like this. You have to change. But beginning, if you try to change, it will not enable because you are creating for the first time for your company. So now onwards, whenever you will open your software, this your company will be visible. If not visible, you can change like this. Clear? Understood? Problem solved?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm so happy because you have done till this much. It's very good. Okay. And those who have not reached also, still time is there. Do practice and learn. Then we can continue in the class also. So now I'm going to create furniture account. So likewise, I'll give you some tasks you can do also. This I'm creating for assets. Next I'll show you for liabilities. Liabilities, what and all you will create, like expenses. Liabilities means capital account and sundry creditor. I'll show you that. Don't do any mistakes. First you see assets, furniture account, furniture account. After this, click on control data, same as it is. For every GLs it is same. And bank interest G001. Accept bank account, all this G0. But I'll tell you where when you have to use G067. Okay, let's see on this. We'll save that. So three assets account I have created. Now I'm going to create one liabilities account. So click on create.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Tell me who is asking now.
Can you please show the furniture account creation again?
You want to see? Very good questions, because I have done. But sometimes what happened, I want to see that how it is created. So we have options called display. Okay. So I'll click on this. I will click on this display options. So if I'll display options now, I can show you now. This is your create, display, edit is there. What is that edit? Sometimes what happened, wrongly you have selected, or maybe your spelling mistakes will be there. So you can click on edit. Once you click on edit, you can edit all this. Means, suppose you have wrongly selected, it is not displaying in the park document. So you can come and edit, means you can change. This is for change, not for edit. You can change it. Yeah. Likewise, one student has asked me to display. So display means it will be in like this position. It will not be enabled. In display positions, you will not able to change anything, students. It is for only displaying purpose. Clear? Now you can see and write. Clear? Next you go to the control data as it is, INR, line item, display tick mark, and posting date, 001, not 001. Those who are doing today, after finishing the class, take a screenshot of the GS, 1 2 accounts you post in the group. So other will also get to know, they will also do that. Yeah. So this is the things. Create bank interest G001. Okay, G001. Clear? So we'll do next one. Completed, students? We'll do the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So click on create. Now I'm going to create 2 lakhs. Okay. Click on this. Types and descriptions. This is also balance sheet. Now select liabilities. Select liabilities. Shorten descriptions. I'm going to create companies capital account. Here, right? Companies capital, long text this is. Make a note on this. Company's capital account. Completed all these things. Next is control data, line item display, short key 001.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. After this, click on create bank interest. So here we have to select Z001. This also have to select. Completed. So Z001 selection is done. Save. So next is I'm going to create 2 lakhs 1. 2 lakhs 1. That is called as a balance sheet, liabilities. What I'll create sundry creditor. Sundry creditor account. Completed. Sundry creditor account.
1 minute,
Control
ma'am.
data. You're writing? Right.
Done, ma'am.
So have you done with this sundry creditor? Next is control data, line item display, short key 001. Clear? Then create bank interest G067, or you can select from
Why,
here.
ma'am?
Tell me what happened. Anywhere you stuck? Not G005, G067. Completed, students. After this, click on save. Save once. So next we'll create income. So what is the range? Who can answer me now? Who can answer me now? What range I should select? Can you type in chat box? Assets I have taken 1 lakh range. Liabilities I have taken 2 lakhs range. What I should select for income?
Is it 3 lakh?
Yes, 3 lakhs only. Did you remember accounts group we have created, document splitting we have done? So I based on that, I'm doing 3 lakhs. Yes, 3 lakhs is the correct answer. 3 lakhs to 399 I have done. So I'm going to first account as a 3 lakhs. Click on this, types and descriptions, but select. Now this is automatically getting selected. So here I select income, short text. Short text, what will be there? What will create? Will create commission receipt. Commission is R. It will not take full. RECD you type account. So here I'll type long text is commission received account. Commission receipt account. Finished. Now you have to click on control data. Then line item display short key 001. Same as it is. Create bank interest Z001. Even sales account also comes under income. That also we are going to create. Clear? Save. Now I'm going to create 3 lakhs 1. I'll create sales account. So here it is income, sales account. Okay, just you make a note. Give me 2 minutes, I'll come back. Completed, students? Sales account have you done? Control data, same, line item display, short key 001, and create bank interest as Z001. Complete this. Then I'm going to create one more purchase account under expenses. Sundry debtor also I'll create under assets. Till this everyone understood, students? Whatever we have done GS, you have understood? If you understood, put your response. Type 1 if you understood. Type 2 if you have not understood. Only 3 ones I got. What about others? Ask if anyone has any doubts in the GL creations. Ask now only. So we'll continue with some other ledgers. Some more ledgers will create. Okay. And before ending the sessions, I'll give you a list of ledgers that create and get it ready. Tomorrow we'll do postings. Okay. Today I'll show you one park document. Tomorrow we'll do park document how to post. Okay. So let's start with this. Here G001 I have done and click on save. Next I am going to create one expenses account. So we have done two liabilities, two assets, three assets we have done. Let's create one more last assets like 1 lakh. So I have created 1 lakh 1, 1 lakh, 1 lakh 1, 1 lakh 2. So I'm going to create 1 lakh 3, and that is nothing but the balance sheet. I'll select assets sundry data because it is required in the coming sessions and all. So that's what I'm creating. Sundry data is last. You can also create. So after this you have to click on control data, line item display. But one thing I want to tell you here, sundry data, even when I created creditor also, students, you need to enable that. I'll show you how I can edit because that I forgot. So sundry data accounts, you have to click on reconciliation account in the control data, select customer. Something you need to do little bit more here. One option is extra you need to enable. See here it is showing assets, customer, vendors. Assets not required as it is you can take, but customers and vendors are mostly required. That is called reconciliations account type. I'll do edit, one edit option also. I'll tell you how to use it. Everyone understood? Reconciliation account type customer. Click on create bank interest. G067. You need to choose this one. Clear? After this, save. Now my question is I forgot one options to enable in the Sunday creditor. So what I'll do, I'll select this, I'll click on edit. Here you can do change. Okay. So Sunday creditor you select, click on change and control data. I'll go here. I have to use vendors. You know to change in types and description as it is same in control
Repeat,
data.
ma'am.
No, what I did, I have missed one options here. So Sunday creditor you select, you have to go to the change. Wait, I'll have to do that. You have to click on change. Already I have clicked, so it is displaying once again. It is enabled now. Okay. Then this screen as same as it is, I'm not going to change. Here I have to enable reconciliation account type vendors. These options I forgot to enable, so I am doing now. After this, you need not to do any changes. It is already done. Okay, click on save. So changes will be saved here. Okay. Next is I'm going to create purchase account. Expenses I will create. So click on expenses. Now answer me what range I have to select for expenses. What range I have to select for expenses?
4 lakh.
Yes. 4 lakhs we have to create. Click on this. Types and descriptions. P&L account. Expenses. This is I'll create a rent paid account. Yes, let's see. Then rent paid account. Make a note. Completed. Once it is entered, then click on control data. Line item display. Short key 001. Create bank interest. So for this account, you have to create 001. So completely right for which account what field status group has to select. That is most important. finished? Huh? Save. So rent paid I created. One more I'll create purchase account. So 4 lakhs. 4 lakhs 1. So let's create purchase account. So this is expenses. Purchase account. Purchase account.
Ma'am, you have typed wrong spelling.
Okay, sorry. Ah, yes, yes. Purchase account. Okay, purchase account. Okay. After completing this GLs, one entries I'll show you in the parked document. One entries only I'll show you. And another entries will continue tomorrow's class. I'll give you list of ledgers that create like rent paid, commission paid, interest paid, salary paid. That's all it will comes under expenses. Get it ready. And commission receipt, rent receipt, salary receipt, discount receipt, all it will comes under income. Okay, like assets you can create a furniture account, machinery account, computer account, okay, land account, that is all assets. Then liabilities as it is you create capital and syndicated, that's all. Liability don't create more, and basically you create more expenses account, more incomes account, and assets also, computer, land, building, like this all you can create. Machinery account you can create, so that we can do more transactions. If you create more ledgers, we can create just like in expenses, advertisement expenses, traveling expenses, okay, that type of things also you can create. And control data as it is line item display 001. Create bank interest Z001. I want to create one last expenses account, that is called advertisement expenses. You can create how much you want, like 2, 3, 4 you can create. You can create on office expenses, stationery expenses, like this also you can create. So save. I'll create one last ledger for the day, that is 4 lakhs 2. Types and descriptions, expenses, advertisement, exp. No, it will take that much only, exp. So here we can do full name. Yeah. After this, control data G001. That's all. That's all GL accounts. So after finishing all this, you can click on this folder. You can see whatever you have created. So we have created cash account, ICICI Bank, furniture, syndicator, rent paid, purchase account, advertisement expenses. In income, we created commission received, sales account. In the liability, we have created capital and Sunday creditor. So this and all we have created. Now I will show you what is the meaning of parked document. See, all this thing it is given. You can see I'll send this file till parked document. So this is bank account, accounts receivable is an asset. These are tasks you can do. Fixed as a machinery asset, prepared expenses you can create. Okay. Then accounts payable liabilities, the accounts type equity capital. But don't keep equals equity because I have created under balance sheet. This part is not required students. You can select as a balance sheet account and select as a liability. This don't create separately. This ledgers you can options, that is you can comes under liabilities account. Return earnings don't create. I'll teach you at last. Revenue you can create sales revenue, service revenue, interest income. Okay. Then we can create cost of goods sold on expenses, salary and wages expenses, rent expenses, like this you can create. Then utility expenses, office supplies, depreciation you can create also. Right. So what is the spatial GS? Spatial GS I'll teach you when I am teaching you vendor account, not now. This part I am not going to teach you. At last it will be there. Okay, now next one is students, park document. Park document in SAP FI, what is that? Just it is, you can write a small notes on that. One second. Just little bit down it. So write the 4 points. Park document is what? A temporary financial documents not yet posted to the ledger. Oftenly used when approval is required before posting. Like in companies, there will be different accounts department will be there. Junior accountant, senior accountant. Junior accountant has the rights to park the document. He cannot do directly post. In that case, this park document has to be implemented. Editable before posting, unlike a post document. Why we use park document? The question is why we use. So purpose is incomplete data. Sometimes we don't know what is the actual sales has been done. So allows the user to save documents, even more informations like cost centers. Okay, no issue students. Tomorrow we'll do. You can just make a note what is park document. Approval workflow. Document can be reviewed and approved by manager before being officially posted. Collaborative. Once user parks the documents, another user can later review, complete and post it. Clear? So error prevention case also we can use this. Helps reduce incorrect postings by adding a steps before final postings. So today I am sending you till GS what we have done. Just meaning of the park document you write because we have a just few minutes. No issues. Tomorrow we'll do parked and post documents. Any doubts with the today's session, students? Anyone have any doubts? Anyone has any doubts here? If you understood, put your final response for the day. What about others? Ashwini, Mera, okay. Babita, Abhinay, okay. Disha, are you understood? Ashwini?
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
asking to all students. Okay. Anything is missed out? Kushi, what about Kushi? Kushi, you understood? Ifa Zainab, Nityashri.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. RC Chaitra, RY Chaitra, sorry, RY Chaitra. Okay. Rishika, you understood? Okay. So only few minutes, students. You can just make a note on this. We'll continue this topic tomorrow's class. Till this, those who have already working in the software, get ready with the GS. And one student has missed the chart of accounts, create chart of accounts, then accounts group, then what is that? Assign chart of accounts to company code, then what you have to create? Return earnings account, then you have to create field status variant, document number range. Okay, so this procedure first you do, then you create GS. These procedures are must required because you have seen chart of accounts is not defined, it was showing. So it is must required till the return earnings account. It will be one flow. Then field status variant. That because you have seen that I am giving the field status variant G001, all this thing. And assign company code to field status variant also. So those who have done, one two students, anyone has done, put your screenshot on the WhatsApp group. I'll get to know. Not only I, everyone will get to know, so they will inspire and they will also do that. You can post your pictures, post your screenshot, and you can put a message that I have done this. Okay. Anyone has done today's class? Means like practically has done means put your screenshot
Excuse
there.
me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, Nityashri here again. I had the issue with the SAP Easy Access screen. I've sent him the message, but I haven't really gotten anything back.
Where you have sent?
And I've sent the message to the person you've asked me to.
Ah, okay.
I did not
Got
get
it.
any message back.
Okay. Put in the group, no issues. Personal you don't put. And because personal message will not be seen also because we'll be catch up with the classes. But you can put in group, no issues, Nitya. You can put in group.
Oh. Ma'am, and also I have to catch up with what was done today, right? So,
Okay. No, what I am saying, it is we have done ma. This is our company. No, what was my questions? Those who have done with their companies, they can send.
I understand, ma'am, but I'm just asking
Sabreen
whether you could
has
put a word to them and tell them to maybe
Nitya
look at the message
Shrina.
I sent.
Because I was not knowing who has got the problem, so I was asking. You can take a screenshot where is your things and put it in the group. I'll tell to sir. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Because I was not knowing which students has got this issue. So I and you have sent a message. That is also I don't know. I did not know that.
I
Okay, so
just sent a
better.
message.
What every students I'm telling you, if any issues related to software or topics related to my class or related to software, please put in the group. Don't put in personal message. Okay, we'll be not seeing that. If you put in group, that has to be taken into consideration and we'll try to solve that. Clear? So
Okay,
everything is there.
ma'am.
Put in that group for that reason only created. Okay. So if you put, then we'll get to know and we can help you out. Can help you. No issues for that. Now one more student also sending message. See, we have already so many contacts. So better you should put in group ma. Then only we can help you. In the group only means everyone will be seen. System
Excuse
admin,
me, ma'am. Ma'am, I have to send you message, ma'am, actually in the personal, and I posted in the group also, ma'am. Ma'am, I have so many doubts because I have joined like after 1.5 week to the class, ma'am.
okay, I understood. Yes, yes, yes.
So
That's
that
the
I
reason,
didn't,
sir.
yeah, ma'am. I'm the
Can you
listening to
meet
the class.
me? Can you meet me in person so I can help you out? Can you
Yes, ma'am.
visit the
Sure, ma'am.
center?
Yes, ma'am.
The Saturday, can you visit? So
Ma'am,
I'll
Saturday.
inform the admin also, and
What
we
time,
can
ma'am?
meet on afternoon. Can you meet me? Like in between
Tomorrow
1:30.
afternoon.
Tomorrow also you can do because tomorrow
Yeah,
you
ma'am. Yes,
tomorrow
sure, ma'am.
instead
I
of
will meet you tomorrow
Saturday,
afternoon. Yeah.
if instead of Saturday I'll catch up with the online classes, particularly
Uh-huh.
afternoon. If you meet me tomorrow, it will be better.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tomorrow, but before coming, once you confirm with
Ma'am,
the
I,
front
I
desk.
was about to ask you yesterday, ma'am, but it, like I get just
No
end up.
issues, no issues.
Thank
No
you, ma'am.
issues for that. You
Hmm.
can come, but before coming, just make a call in the front desk number.
Yes,
NICT Jayanagar, if you type, will get the number. Call up once, check my name, and I'll tell you that. Okay, I'll contact you and we can solve it.
ma'am. In the college, are you meeting me?
No, no, no. In our center, NICT Jayanagar, you need to
Hmm.
come here.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Fine, ma'am. I was not knowing it is in
No, no, no,
Jayanagar also.
no issues. Jayanagar, NICT Jayanagar.
Yeah.
You'll come.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, this is
You
the num.
can. Before coming, just inform us once,
Yeah,
so
ma'am.
we can help you out. No issues for that, Nityashri. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
No issues. Okay, we'll wind up the sessions today. We'll continue tomorrow. Those who have
Ma'am,
any issues, please visit Jayanagar and ICT Jayanagar. Okay.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, once again, ma'am. Ma'am, so when I tomorrow I'll come around like 1:30 and I'll call to your number in the which in
Yes,
group.
yes, no issues. Yes, yes, no
Okay, ma'am.
issues for that.
Ma'am,
But
1:30
mention your
evening.
name.
Yeah,
Mention
ma'am.
your name so I'll get to know. Okay. No
Yeah, ma'am.
issues.
Sure, ma'am. I'm Kushi,
Okay.
ma'am.
Bye bye.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Bye bye, ma'am.